am I the last person on this earth to get the foundation by Fenty? Sorry to interrupt this video, guys, but I don't know why the top of my head is cut off. But let's disregard that and get back into this review. Like, I feel like I'm the last person to get it. So I'm assuming 430 is like the universal shade for a lot of us brown girls. So this color was always sold out. So when I went to my Sephora and I seen they have like 3 in stock, I was like, oh, I need to grab that real quick before it like it's completely gone again, because ever since it dropped, I was like, you know what, let me just wait a little bit. I don't know why I just was like, let me wait a little bit, because at that time I wasn't trying to buy too much makeup. I was trying to fall back from buying a lot of makeup and unnecessary things. But I don't know why I waited, because it has been sold out. It has been sold out for months. When I tell you months, or even if it's they restock it, it will be sold out again within, like, you know, within a couple hours. So I was never able to get my hands on it. So I'm just happy I finally got it, and I just feel like I'm like the last person on this planet to to get a Fenty foundation. Like, you know, I love my girl Riri, you know, and I want to support. I'm here to support. I'm here to support, you know.
So I'm just happy I finally got it, but let me know what you guys think about the shade that I chose.
And blend it out right here. See how it looks. It looks a little bit, I don't know, look a little bit red. This is 430, so it's supposed to be neutral. So let's see. Alright, so this is just one pump, really. I don't know. It is looking kind of red. So it is looking kind of red compared to my chest, but I have like 50 shades of brown on my skin, so my chest is always the lightest. I stick with 430 or do 420 or 440. What you guys think? I have like different parts of me is darker. It's darker. This is so red compared to my face. But I'm gonna use out the rest and see how it works, you know, how it lays. The coverage so far, I don't know, it's light. But I'm gonna do some more pumps. Just one more pump. One more pump. Just to cover a little bit more, you know. So far, it is red, but you know, it's doable. It's doable. It's definitely doable. She was love at first sight. She was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from. She tell me what you guys think. She asked me what's my name. I tell her I am Connie. Is 430 my color, or? So what you guys think? Is 430 my color, or should I have gone a different shade up or down? I don't know. What you guys think? So far, I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The coverage is not 100% full coverage, which is alright. I mean, not all the time you gotta have a full coverage on, you know? Not all the time you want a full coverage, but and it's not 100% matte. I'm seeing my pores. I'm seeing my pores. So you still see imperfections and all that. Me not watch TV screens, me left on the front line, and this me come find. I'm an up to take responsibility. Me actions, me objectives and me nouns too. Make a wrong step and see how quick them denounce you. But I see I federal, me happy side separate. Strong and me happy, but no. Laugh with nobody, I still love this soul. Let them know I am armed in army gear. 4 stripes for my arm is clear. So hang on, I no have no fear. They woulda see me embalm, but I jaw on me arm out here. So this is the finished look. What you guys think? What you guys think? What you guys think? So the foundation, it settled and it dried up. So the foundation dried up a little bit on my chest. It looks alright. It don't look bad. I'm gonna put my hair down. I think it's a good match. I think it's a good match so far, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thumbs up for this look. You know, I got the glossy lids popping. Oh no. Okay, I'll fix that a little bit. So I got that glossy lids on and popping, you know. I said, let me do that glossy look, feel me? I don't know. I was just in the mood for that, you know. It kind of was an accident, and I was like, oh, okay. It's looking kind of good. So let me just continue. And that's what I did. And I'm happy that I did that. That's what makeup is for. It's for just experimenting, playing, having fun. And that's it. But bye again.